Ni hao, hello, welcome to Chinese with Hermione. In today's lesson, we will learn how to count from 0 to 10 in Chinese. And after that, counting to 99 in Chinese will be very easy. Please repeat after me. Lin, 0. Lin, lin, lin. Very good. 1. E, E, E. 2. Er, er, er. 3. San, san, san. 4. Si, si, si. 5. Wu, wu, wu. 6. 六 六 六 7. 七 七 七 8. 八 八 八 9. 九 九 九 10. 十 十 十. Good job. One more time. 0. Lin, lin. 1. E, E. 2. Er, 3. San, san. 4. Si, si. 5. Wu, wu. 6. 六 六 7. 七 七 8. 八 八 9. 九 九 10. 十 十. Good job. Now let's practice. 1. Apple. 1. E. Apple. 苹果. So we should say 一苹果, right? But that's wrong. We have to use a measure word. In Chinese, there are few measure words, and in another video, we will learn all of them and when to use them. Today, we are going to use 个 一个苹果一个苹果一个苹果 2 apples. 2 is 二 apples 苹果. So we should say 二苹果. That's wrong. Next to a measure word, we cannot say 二. We have to use 两. 两 also means 2. 两个苹果两个苹果两个苹果 I will make another video about when to use 二 and when to use 两 3 apples 三个苹果三个苹果三个苹果 4 apples 四个苹果四个苹果四个苹果 5 apples 五个苹果五个苹果五个苹果 6 apples 六个苹果六个苹果六个苹果 7 apples 七个苹果七个苹果七个苹果 8 apples 八个苹果八个苹果八个苹果 9 apples 九个苹果九个苹果九个苹果 10 apples 十个苹果十个苹果十个苹果 Very good. Now let's see some fun facts. Do you know that in China, 4 is considered as a very bad number? And the reason is because the pronunciation of the number 4 is quite similar to the pronunciation of death in Chinese. In Chinese, death is 死, but 4 is 四, right? So they kind of look alike. That's why they don't like the number 4, and they will do everything they can to avoid this number. In China, 6 is considered as a very good number because the pronunciation of the number 6 and the pronunciation of the word flow kind of similar. 6, 6, flow, 6. And flow means smoothly, success. That's why they really love the number 6. Number 8 in China is a very good number because the pronunciation of the number 8 and the pronunciation of this character here, fa, kind of similar. Pa, fa, and fa is from the word fa cai, that means wealthy. Gong xi fa cai, yeah, that's what Chinese will say on New Year's. Gong xi fa cai, wish you to get wealthy. Gong xi fa cai. Number 9 is a very good number because the pronunciation of 9 and the pronunciation of longevity or long time is the same. 9, 9, 9, long time, longevity, same pronunciation. Here we have 520, 520, and here we have I love you, 我爱你. Similar. 520, 我爱你, 520, 我爱你. That's why they will use 520 instead of writing I love you. Sometimes they can test 520. Thank you very much. 谢谢. And don't forget to practice. Bye. 再见.